Welcome. In today's video, we're going to learn how to pin a chat on WhatsApp so you can keep your most important conversations right at the top. Whether it's your best friend, your family group, or a work chat, pinning makes it super easy to find them without scrolling every time. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you're on the main chat screen where all your conversations appear. This is where we'll choose the chat you want to pin. Now, scroll through your list of chats and find the one you want to keep at the top. Once you've found it, press and hold that chat for a moment. You'll see a few options appear at the top of the screen. Look for the small pin icon. It looks like a push pin. Tap on it. That's it. You've successfully pinned your chat. You'll notice a tiny pin symbol next to the conversation, and it will stay right at the top of your chat list no matter how many new messages you receive in other chats. This is especially handy if you get a lot of messages throughout the day but have a few specific conversations that matter most. If you ever change your mind, unpinning a chat is just as easy. Just long press on the pin chat again and tap the pin icon once more. The pin will disappear and the chat will move back down the list based on your latest messages. Remember, WhatsApp currently allows you to pin up to 3 chats, so choose the ones you check the most. It's a small adjustment, but it can make your messaging experience much smoother and help you stay organized. And that's how you pin a chat on WhatsApp. Quick, simple, and super useful. Try it out right now and see how much easier it makes staying connected with the people who matter most to you.